Yo, what's up, you guys? It's me again, Brady. Back with another video. And today, we're going to the Hoover Dam.
YouTube video.
Look, my brother's
go subscribe to his channel.
Yeah.
His name is Kid Perfect. Links in the description.
So I'm going to the Hoover Dam with my brother and my parents, and we're gonna see the Hoover Dam and look off the edge, and yeah. See you then, you guys. Look at that. I don't know where we are, but we're driving.
Look at the bridge, guys, right here. This is the new bridge.
Yes, there's a
Can
bridge.
we go up there?
Well, that's what they're walking on. That is what they're.
Can we go up there?
Maybe.
You guys, there's a
Brand new
huge
bridge,
bridge.
guys. We might go up there.
That's
Hard to drive on
crazy.
top of it.
That's a really crazy bridge right there. There's a whole bunch
Wait,
of
are we
rocks.
inside the Hoover Dam?
No.
Oh.
That's how we were though.
We're on one side of the Hoover Dam.
Oh.
There's the Hoover Dam right there.
Hey, car.
See it?
What way?
Big wall. That's it.
So,
Did Chuck build that?
okay, I see you. And we are back, and that is the Hoover Dam right here.
Stand right there and take a picture.
Danger, keep off wall. Okay.
That is. Stand right here. Danger. Oh, actually, keep on.
Yeah.
I don't care about that.
Don't know what that is. I do know what that is.
Just start recording with that.
Hoover Dam right there.
And then,
Only sit right
Oh, what are you doing? It says, danger, keep off wall. And you are doing a dangerous thing. You are staying on the wall.
guys, it says danger, keep off.
Wait, I
wall.
didn't start it yet.
Holy moly, you guys.
It says danger, keep off.
What do you
wall.
see? I can't see anything. Did, look.
Scary.
That is scary.
Gosh, really?
Where's
I'm recording it.
You guys, look, there's a big bridge.
Oh, no.
Where's the Hoover Dam big thing? There's the Hoover Dam big thing. Okay, guys, that's the wall of the Hoover Dam right there. It's cool. That's cool. So, you guys, that's the Hoover Dam right there. Yeah, that's the end of this video. Now, peace. Danger.